Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Zakdavi Glucose Monitor. And as you can see right off the bat that this is a scam. But before we get into the details, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it opened up here on malwaretips.com. And the title says Zakdavi Glucose Monitor Scam Exposed. What you need to know. So, as you can see, the malware tips goes over the scam overview, the how the scam works, and how to avoid it entirely. So, as you can see, the overview of it, the big claims of 99.9% accurate, which is impossible. No finger pricks required, which is also impossible. FDA certified, endorsed by healthcare professionals, and used by over 80,000 Americans. So as you can see, this is recycled hardware and different label, fake testimonials and review manipulation, price inflation and then artificial scarcity, and slick ads, emotional hooking, fake authority endorsements, and a lot more. So please do not order this product, guys. It is a scam and too good to be true. There are a lot of products like these that turn out to be too good to be true, and 99.9% of them are. And that is basically it, so guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.